Hey guys, welcome back to another video where I'll be showing you how you can promote the 10x income system with organic traffic, guys. And I did previous videos touching on the subject, guys. But this method you can pretty much use for pretty much anything that you are promoting, guys. So let's get into it. Okay, as some of you might already know, guys, 10x income system is an affiliate program where you can receive an unlimited amount of $297 in commissions, guys. Of course, it was created by Tabby D. There's a 365-day money back guarantee. It's only like $297 right now, $997. It was $997, but there was a giant price cut, guys. So let's get right into it. Okay, so if we go on Facebook, guys, this is my profile. Here's what you want to do. You want to make your Facebook profile look very nice, guys. Decorate it with your experience, guys. Sort of like what I did here, guys. I kind of talk about what I do, guys, what I've been doing, and how it's been working for me. And this is very good because it catches the interest of a lot of people, guys. So I'll kind of post things about my daily life, guys, and what's been going on. You don't even have to talk too much, guys, to be honest, in your posts. Like this. I like to post these inspirational quotes. And these really give the attention of people, guys. People really like these, as you can see. We got a few likes there. I also post some of my artwork. For those of you who don't know, guys, I am kind of an artist. So right here in the profile message, I kind of illustrate the things that I'm into and what I do, guys. And this is a really big interest catcher, guys. It catches the interest of a lot of people, guys. I had a lot of people come to me, message me, guys. Well, what do I do because of my Facebook profile? And actually just compliment my Facebook profile because it looks nice, it's organized, and it's clean. So if you're on Facebook, maybe you need to clean up your profile, guys, make it look a little more presentable to people who are coming on. That's something you definitely can do. And this kind of does apply if you're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or wherever the social media platform is, guys. Make it look very nice, clean, and presentable, guys. Um, so that's a good way that you can attract attention, guys, to yourself and raise people's curiosity so they can ask you more questions. In a previous video, guys, I did talk about going in different Facebook groups, guys, and how you can actually find people who are looking for opportunities like this. So let's say if you're on Facebook, guys, and go into your groups. If you're not already in these groups, guys, you can easily join them. Just make sure you check the rules. There are a ton of affiliate groups, guys. Because right now I'm in the Tanks Income System group, guys. Obviously, don't look in there because people in there are already members of this. It's a legendary group, affiliate marketing group UK. We're a nation. It's another affiliate group. Even this, groups like this, like how to quit my job. There are people in this who are obviously trying to quit their job, guys, are looking for different opportunities. So that's a good one there. There's this 5-day challenge, guys. Look, Marketer to Marketer, another affiliate group, guys. Let's scroll down, find some more. Okay, so Uber, Lyft drivers, and maybe okay, let's look down. Yeah, so you know. Yeah, Etsy groups. Stick to the affiliate groups. If you're in affiliate marketing, guys, those are some really easy catches in there because people in there are already interested in affiliate marketing. But you can find entrepreneur groups, guys. I am in a ton of groups. To be honest, I lost track of the amount of groups that I joined on Facebook, guys. I'm also in painting groups as well. I do talk to artists and people who are related to what I do because I paint, so I talk to other artists as well. So affiliate groups, entrepreneur. What is this? Entrepreneur. Who's mastermind? Yeah, that's another one. Affiliate marketing for beginners. That's a good one. Yeah, make money on the internet. So if I scroll down, guys, just by looking at my groups, you can kind of see what to look in, guys. So Aweber group, that's another one. Anything that's kind of related to like the making money online, guys. people are already familiar with what you're doing, guys. So there'll be less questions to answer, guys, and there'll be a lot more open-minded to what you're offering, guys, which is huge. So that's another way you can actually use organic traffic to get results and to actually get clicks and people buying your product, guys. So that's another good one there. Let's see. Yeah. Post daily, guys. Utilize your Facebook stories as well, guys. That's something I do on a daily basis. So you really just want to be using Facebook, guys, going to different groups, engaging with the posts, liking and commenting on people's comments, guys. Just bring value to the group that you are going to, guys. So people will eventually notice you guys. And when they're asking the questions instead of the other way around, that's when those sales will start coming in, guys. So if this was helpful, be sure to like and leave a comment down below, guys. As always, I will leave links in the description below to the 10x income program, guys, which at this moment it's only $297, and with a 365-day money back guarantee, guys. So you definitely want to take advantage of that if you think that's something for you guys. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video. If there's anything else I can cover in a future video, guys, just let me know in the comments down below. Or any questions or concerns, again, comments down below, guys. And if this information was valuable to you, and you want to see more, you want to see more of it, guys, be sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, for more daily content about the 10x income system, guys, and entrepreneurship in general. All right, guys. Thank you so much for your time today and all the support, guys. See you next time.